Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for all things skincare and beauty. Today, we're diving into the world of facial rollers, specifically the Revlon Face Roller, the ultimate solution for oily skin. Let's jump right in. If you're someone battling with oily skin like many of us, you know the struggle of keeping shine at bay throughout the day. But fear not, because Revlon has introduced the ultimate game-changer, the Volcanic Roller for oily skin. What makes this roller stand out from the rest? Well, it's all about the volcanic stone technology. Made from real volcanic stone, this roller is designed to instantly mattify and absorb excess oil for a shine-free complexion. Let's break down the benefits. Firstly, it blots and mattifies skin instantly, giving you that flawless look you desire. Say goodbye to blotting papers because this roller is reusable and washable, making it an eco-friendly option. But here's the best part. You can use it anytime, anywhere. Whether you're at home or on the go, this compact roller is your secret weapon against oily skin. Now, you might be wondering, how do I use it? It's simple. Just remove the cap, and gently roll over your T-zone and any other shiny areas. It absorbs excess oil without messing up your makeup, leaving you with a shine-free, flawless finish. And here's a tip. For maximum efficacy, we recommend replacing the volcanic stone every 6 months. But fear not, Revlon offers convenient roller refill packs, so you can keep enjoying the benefits without hassle. So there you have it, folks. The Revlon Face Roller, your ultimate companion for oily skin control. Don't let shine ruin your day. Grab yours today and experience the difference. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and remember to like, share, and subscribe for more skincare tips and product reviews. Until next time, stay fabulous.